vehicle? Check out the 2008 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear wheel drive, engine block heater, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.